China's engineering construction speed is equally remarkable. The Yuan Bridge, completed in just 43 hours, and a train station built in 9 hours sparked international discussions. China's ability to mobilize thousands of workers swiftly for large-scale projects highlights the need for innovative infrastructure solutions. The significance of